So by special request and popular demand, the Crystal Coconut is back on national television this evening. As we also resume our pre-season prediction for the Red Stripe Premier League. But before we get to that, we have to say again that the Red Stripe Premier League is not being marketed or promoted properly. In fact, it's not being marketed or promoted at all. It's like the PLCA, depending on the natural popularity of the football to sell the league. If a coach don't get fired, or a referee don't make some bad calls, or a crowd invade the field and mash up a game, the league don't get a hype. Anyway, Crystal Coconut time. Yes, we're predicting the top 6, starting with the number 16, which will be Tivoli Gardens, still a transitional team. At number 5 will be Arnett Gardens, Little Trouble in the Jungle. At number 4 will be Waterhouse, still consistent, but at number 3 will be Portmore for sure. They can't keep winning forever. And now, the runner-up in this season's Red Stripe Premier League will be Cavalier FC, now the mature young team. And according to the Crystal Coconut, plus my Maverick analysis, the 2020 Red Stripe Premier League champions will be Mount Pleasant Football Academy. Yes. Not sure who the coach will be at the end of the season, but Mount Pleasant it will be. Yes.